Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. We're at Walgreens and we're excited to do some couponing. Now, I did receive some really good digital coupons of the Downy, like the Unstoppables, the beads and everything, so we're pretty excited to try that. I'm also going to try the spend 15 get $5 P&G. Now, I heard in my live on Friday that they weren't printing out on Friday, so I don't know if it's Fridays that they're just not printing out or not, but I'm going to see if it prints out. But there's some good P&G deals that I'm pretty excited for. I got some really good digital copies. The ambulance is going past right now, but it is cold outside, but we're gonna go inside and have some fun. So follow me inside so we can have some fun shopping while saving money. Here we have the Tresemme on sale, 2 for $12 or $6 each, or you can get the ones that are $7, but we're gonna get the ones that are $6 each. Now, I actually have two different digital coupons. I have a 5 off of 2 and a 7 off of 3. You're gonna buy 3 of them. You're gonna use that 7 off of 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $11 for 3 of them, but then this is a deal of the week, so any of the deal of the weeks, you do have to do them in separate transactions, but you will get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them, making all 3 of them just $6 or $2 each. Now, here's a good deal for the Axe deodorant. These are on sale this week for $5, so you're gonna buy 3 of them. We currently have, sorry, I'm trying to find my coupon. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. If you use this coupon, you might have to buy 2 of the same scents. And then we also have a $2 off digital coupon. You will end up paying just $9 for the 3 of them. This is a deal of the week, so you guys will get, you will get money for that. But then you can submit your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app where you'll get 2,000 points. That's $2 back. And when you purchase the 3 of them, you'll get a $5 register reward, making all 3 just $2 or 67 cents each. So here we have the Nivea. This is an all-month deal that goes until the 25th. So we have the foam, which my store is sold out, but this is $3.99. It is on sale this week for 10% off, making it $3.59. You could buy 2 of them. You would pay $7.18. You'd submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get $1 back, so you'll get $2 back with Ibotta, and you get a $5 cash rewards, making them just 18 cents for 2 of the foams. The gels are $4.99, so making them $4.49 on sale. You again would pay $8.98. You'd submit your receipt for Ibotta for $1 back. You get $2 back with Ibotta. You get that $5 cash rewards. These would end up being just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Okay, so here is a deal that you guys definitely want to check out. So the Russell Stouffer is on sale for $5.99, but make sure you guys check to see if your store has any of the ones with like the snowflakes on it or Christmas presents. These are actually on clearance, but I can't have them price check it right now, but last week they were like $4.49, so these are a little bit cheaper if your store has them. I'm just still waiting for mine to go down. But then my store also has a Christmas Godiva. These are regular price, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If you are eyeing up some of your Christmas candy in the chocolate area, definitely check out, see if you have any Christmas stuff that you can have them price check. But $5.99 is a pretty good price if you need a Valentine's Day gift. Now, I'm in the home improvement section and I've been watching these prices. My store finally like marked down a lot of these light bulbs for like $1.19. You're saving 10 bucks. If you guys need any light bulbs, definitely check it out. There's also some other light bulbs right here that are marked down, so check that out. Here we have some water bottles. Here's one for 68 cents. Here's another one for 68 cents. Great deal. Definitely check it out if you guys can. So here we have the Crest toothpaste on sale for $3, or we have the Oral-B on sale for $3. Now, I currently have a $3 off of 2. Now, with the Walgreens coupons being the way they are, you possibly will have to get 2 of the same items for this digital to work, but you would end up using that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3, but here you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them, making it a $1 moneymaker. The Colgate toothpaste is a deal of the week. So this week they are $3.99. Now I have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Now the picture shows that it's mouthwashes and toothbrushes. When I scan the toothbrushes, nothing pops up for a digital coupon, so you could try that. But with the coupons being the way they are, please remember you might have to get 3 of the same ones for the digital come off. So you're going to buy 3 of them for $3.99. Use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would end up paying just $6.97, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them. Again, deal of the week. Your final price would be $1.97 or just 66 cents each. So it's up to you if you guys want to go ahead and do it. But definitely an okay deal. So here we have the Febreze Air on sale for $3.29. There is a $2.30 digital coupon that you guys can use, making these just 99 cents. Now I clicked on the coupon and these are all the ones that are popping up. These ones are not, but I'm still gonna, let's see if I can scan it to see if they would work. It's kind of hard to scan stuff when it's in the container. Let's see. And there's no digital that's popping up for these, so just want to give you guys a heads up, but it's a pretty great deal. Also, there is the plug-in. My store is out for $3.29, and there's also a $2.30 digital coupon, again making that just 99 cents. Awesome deal. So here we have some Tide for $5.49. The Gain, a lot of this stuff is on clearance but still not cheap enough. More of the Tide, more of the Gain. And then we also have the Unstoppables and the Gain for $5.49. Now for the scent boosters, I actually have a $2.25 off digital coupon that you guys can use for one of the Unstoppables. So what you're going to do is buy 3 of them for $5.49. That'd be $16.47. You're going to take away that $2.25. You'll end up paying just $14.22. Now I'm not sure if that spend 15 get 5 register reward will print. I am not sure. I won't know until I get to the register. But when you purchase the 3 of those, you'll end up getting a $5 register reward for purchasing the 3, making it $9.22. So if you do it that way, it comes out to be $3.07 each, which is an okay deal for the liquid and stuff. But I will let you guys know if the $5 for spend 15 get 5 off comes off prints. Okay, I do want to give you guys a heads up. I ended up buying one of the Tide liquids, one of the Gain liquids, and then I also bought the Gain boosters. I did not use my discount because this is a spend 15, and if I used the employee discount I would have been under. So it came out to be $14.22 for all 3 of them. But then you get that spend 15, you get a $5 booster or register reward. I just dropped it on the ground. And then I also got that $5 register reward. So for those, so your final price comes out to be $4.22, you guys, or $1.40. Okay, you guys, so this is an update. So I went back and I bought 3 more Tide. I bought 3 more Tide. I didn't have any digitals, but I did use that P&G register reward that I had. I used the ones that I got from last week, but they're the same thing. I did pay with that $5 register reward, so I ended up paying, again, I think it was like $11.47 for the 3 of them. But then I got another $5 register reward, and I got another $5 P&G reward. So those P&Gs are rolling. You guys can do that. The only thing is, if you guys are doing the P&G rebates, so it's spend 15 get 5, you might not be able to qualify for it because it has to be after discounts and all that stuff. So there's that factor. And then but it's still a great deal. It comes out to be, if you get that $10 register reward, it comes out to be like $1.47 for 3 of them, or 49 cents each. So I kind of want to go back and do this deal again, but I'm not paying with any register rewards. I just paid for it out of like my pocket. So that is an awesome deal if you guys can do it. Definitely go ahead. I have a feeling people will be buying this stuff up like crazy this week. If you guys need a snack, we have the jumbo snacks for $4.49. They are currently buy one get one free. So you would pay $4.49, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. So you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making your final price just $2.99 or $1.49 each, which is a pretty decent deal, and there is 12 snacks, so a pretty great deal for 12 snacks. So here we have the finished products for $5.49, but this one is the Quantum for $5.49. You will want to use a $2 off digital coupon. Otherwise there is some printable coupons from coupons.com, but you're going to use that $2 off digital coupon. You would end up paying just $3.49, but then you get $1 back with Ibotta for this product, making this just $2.49. This one you get 75 cents back, and this one you get 50 cents back. So it depends on if you guys need any of the finished products, but definitely a decent deal. This week the Arm & Hammer is on sale for buy one you get two free. So you guys would pay $7.49, but then you get, technically they'd be $2.49 each if you want to do it. Also, my store has a lot of clearance on their cleaning products, so if you guys have any digitals or coupons for it, definitely go ahead and check them out. Hello everybody, welcome. I can't believe I was in that store for over 2 hours, but I am excited to share with you guys the Tide deal. It was super awesome. It worked out in my favor. So yes, I was in the store for a while. It's because it's kind of a slow week, but I wanted to try to get some stuff, and I wanted to test some stuff out. So I ended up doing, getting the jumbo snacks for $4.49 and buy one get one free. I got $1.50 back with Ibotta, making these just $2.99. I got these because I always snack on those all the time, so that is what I got for that bag. I kind of miss the Kellogg's Family Rewards, but you know what? That's okay. So the first thing that I did is I got one of the Gain, one of the Tide, and then I got the Tide, or the Gain Booster, okay? And I showed you guys this already. I got these 3 items. These are $5.49 each, okay? And I used that $2.25 off digital coupon, okay? So I did that, and it came out to be $14.22. But then you get that $5 register reward for buying the 3 items, and it is a manufacturer coupon. And then you also get a $5 for spend 15 get 5. So you get $10 back, making that just $4.22 or $1.40. So then I asked, I'm like, okay, my store has it locked up. There's a lot of theft at my store. So I asked, okay, I want to try this deal again. So I went back and I bought 3 of the Tide liquid. I bought 3 of the Tide. Okay, I ended up using that $5 register reward for the P&G. I'm just trying to find that receipt. I ended up using that $5 register reward for the P&G, so that spend 15, you get 5, okay? I ended up paying it with this. I paid $11.47, but out popped another spend 15, get 5, and a $5 register reward. Now, the things I don't know if that spend 15 get 5 will print off if you pay with points. I do not know. I paid in full for that. Okay, so there's that thing. It looks like it will roll. For the P&G actual rebate, there is a rebate where if you spend 15 or spend 20, I think it's, I don't know, it's one or the other, but you get a $5 register or $5 rebate. Now that does say after discounts and stuff are automatically factored in. So if you guys do that, and I don't know if those qualify for that item, but if you do that, make sure you guys are not paying with your points. If you actually go to the P&G rewards, there's a spot where it says rebate. You can start typing in the UPC code and something will pop up. So not every item qualifies for that, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. The app does not show that it qualifies, so I'm not sure if it does or not. But so great deal on the Tide. I actually want to kind of go back and do this deal again because it just keeps on rolling. You just cannot roll these. You cannot use these for that deal, okay? If you use these will not print off. If you use these, they will print off, okay? So, there we go. Just wanted to share with you guys with that, okay? So then I also got the Axe spray. Now these are the taller bottles. These are 4 ounces. And when I scanned it in the app, they showed that they were $5. My store didn't have the sale tags on yet. But my store had a bunch of different ones that were different levels or different heights. So I ended up getting the ones that were more bang for my buck because the app shows that they are $5, okay? So I got 3 of them. I checked out and I noticed that they rang up, well, with my employee discount, they rang up $7.22. They rang up like $8 and something cents. So I went and got the manager. I says, hey, these are ringing up. These are supposed to be $5. The app shows that they're $5. So he ended up refunding me the difference. So I got paid like $6.30, or I got $7 and something cents back of a difference. So make sure if you guys do the Axe deal, check your prices, especially if you get the 4 ounce. They should honor that price because that's what the online price does. But anyways, these are $5. There is a digital 4 off of 2 coupon, and there is a $2 off digital coupon. You would pay just $9 for the 3 of these, but then you get you get 2,000 points with Fetch Rewards when you purchase 2 of them, and you get a $5 register reward when you purchase them. And I think that is a store coupon. So you get a $5, but it is a store coupon. Usually the deal of the weeks are usually the store coupons. So these come out to be just $2 or 67 cents each, which is a pretty great deal if you guys want to do that. And then I ended up getting this cup because we use these cups like crazy, and I'm like, why not for 60 something cents? I thought this was a pretty good deal. The cashier's like, oh, I want to go get one, and I'm like, well, this is the only one that they had, but I was still happy with that. And then I ended up getting 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. These were $3. I used that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3 for it. But then you get a $4 register reward. And that is also a manufacturer coupon. So that you guys have, it is a manufacturer coupon. So these come out to be a $1 moneymaker. Now everything that I got the Tide, I got the Gain, and I got the Oral-B. I can submit my receipt to the P&G rewards, and you get 50 points for every product that you buy. So that's a pretty good deal. So I need to start doing that more. So I got that. So that was everything that I got. I was thinking of getting more of the Nivea, but I'm like, I have a lot of it already from the last 2 weeks, so I decided not to do that. But my total came to $48.54 for everything. Now keep in mind, I did not pay that price. I paid with register rewards. I paid with points. I ended up receiving $29 worth of register rewards. I did receive 43 cents of my points. With Ibotta, I will be getting back $1.50, and that is just for the jumbo snacks. And then for Fetch Rewards, I got 2,144 points, which is $2.14, making my grand total for all 14 items $15.47. So not a great deal, but I'm pretty happy with all the Tide and everything that I get, because considering that stuff is pretty expensive. But for $15.47 for my haul, I think I did pretty great. Definitely go ahead and get that Tide Gain deal if you guys are really into that product. That is an awesome price, especially if you don't have any coupons and you have those one P&G register rewards. Also, make sure you guys are submitting your receipts to all those other apps. Make sure you check me on my lives. I've been going live on Friday afternoons, just kind of answering questions, all that stuff. I'm here to help you guys, and I really enjoy talking with you guys, so if you guys are interested with something like that. But I love helping people save money. I love helping people shop and just have fun. Walgreens is a tricky place, but I try to help you guys here and there. So again, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The sun is behind me, but it's beating off the building right into my eyes, and I'm just like, ah! But make sure you guys subscribe. I absolutely love it. And I will see you guys next week for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.